Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the hustle and bustle of a place we all visit at some point, the post office. It's that familiar spot where letters, cards, and packages start their journey. Our scenario begins with a simple yet common interaction. Imagine you've just arrived at the post office, ready to send off a package. You approach the counter with your parcel tucked under your arm. "Hi," you say with a smile. "I'd like to send this package to Canada." Behind the counter, the postal worker welcomes you warmly. With efficiency and professionalism, they ask, "Sure, do you want express delivery or standard?" Now, this is a question many ponder. What's the difference? You inquire, curious about your options. The helpful employee explains, express is 2 days, standard is 1 week. It's a concise explanation that makes choosing a lot easier. Considering the urgency, you decide, "I'll choose express, please." The postal worker nods, acknowledging your decision. You can almost feel your package getting ready to zoom through the postal system. "Great," the worker responds, handing over a form. "Please fill out this form. This step is crucial. Entered information ensures your package finds its way to its destination." As you complete the form, you think about the journey ahead. Each line you fill documents different parts of the trip, the recipient's details, your own, and any specific instructions. It's like a travel itinerary for your package. While you write, you notice the lively surroundings, people sending different things, gifts, important documents, and sometimes just a heartfelt note. Each package, a small piece of someone's story waiting to be told. It's truly remarkable how these small interactions form a global network, connecting people across distances. Form done, you hand it back to the clerk with a sense of satisfaction. Your package is now set for express delivery, moving swiftly toward its destination in Canada. The entire process, though routine, is a fascinating tale of logistics and human interaction. And there you have it. A day at the post office can be an experience filled with choice, connection, and even a dash of adventure. Next time you send a package, you'll appreciate the unseen journey it takes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting takes on everyday errands.